There is something happening inside your body right now, today, as you watch this video. And the terrifying part is you probably can't feel it. It has no dramatic symptoms, no sudden pain, no warning alarm. It just quietly steals your muscle, year after year, decade after decade, until the day you try to stand up from a chair and realize it's harder than it used to be, until the day climbing a single flight of stairs leaves you breathless and shaky, until the day a doctor looks at you and says the words no one ever prepares you for you've lost significant muscle mass, and it's affecting your independence. That condition has a name. It's called sarcopenia, and after the age of 60, it affects over 30% of all adults worldwide. But here is what the medical community does not tell you loudly enough. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. It is not irreversible. And you do not need a gym membership, special equipment, or a 25-year-old's body to fight back. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 specific exercises backed by clinical research that directly reverse muscle loss in adults over 60. And I'm going to explain exactly why each one works on a biological level, because when you understand what's happening in your body, you will never skip these exercises again. Let's talk about what sarcopenia actually is, because most people have never even heard the word, despite the fact that it may be the single greatest threat to their independence after 60. Sarcopenia comes from the Greek words meaning poverty of flesh, and that is exactly what it is. Starting around age 30, your body begins losing muscle mass at a rate of roughly 3 to 5% per decade. That sounds manageable. But after the age of 60, that rate accelerates dramatically up to 1 to 2% of your total muscle mass every single year. By the time most people reach 70, they have lost between 20 and 40% of the muscle they had in their prime. Let that sink in for a moment. Up to 40%. Now here is why that number is so dangerous. Muscle is not cosmetic tissue. It is not just about how you look or how strong you feel at the gym. Muscle is your body's metabolic engine. It regulates your blood sugar. It protects your joints. It keeps your bones dense. It powers every single movement from standing up in the morning to walking to the kitchen to recovering from an illness. A landmark study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that adults over 65 with low muscle mass were 3.6 times more likely to experience a serious fall. And falls are the #1 cause of injury-related death in adults over 65 in the United States. But here is the fact that should genuinely anger you. Most doctors still do not screen for sarcopenia. Most annual physicals do not measure muscle mass. Most people only discover they have it when the consequences have already arrived. That is why this video exists. Because the research is crystal clear on one thing. Resistance exercise is the single most effective intervention for reversing sarcopenia. More effective than protein supplements. More effective than medication, more effective than any other lifestyle change you can make. And the 4 exercises I'm about to show you were specifically selected because each one targets a different mechanism of muscle loss, so together they attack sarcopenia from every biological angle. Before we get into the movements, let me tell you exactly what we're targeting, because this is not a random workout. Sarcopenia happens through 4 biological pathways. Loss of fast-twitch muscle fibers, hormonal decline, anabolic resistance, which means your muscles stop responding to protein the way they used to, and neuromuscular deterioration, where the connection between your brain and your muscles weakens. Each of our 4 exercises directly counters one of those pathways. Exercise 1 is the tempo sit to stand. And do not let the simplicity fool you. Research from Tufts University has called this movement one of the most powerful functional strength indicators in all of senior fitness. Here's how it works. Sit on a firm dining or kitchen chair. Arms crossed over your chest. We are not using our arms to push up. Feet hip-width apart, flat on the floor. Now slowly lower yourself down toward the seat, taking a full 4 seconds to descend. Do not drop. Control every inch. The moment your body touches the chair, immediately stand back up, taking 2 seconds to rise. That 4-second lowering is the secret. In exercise science, that is called an eccentric contraction. And multiple studies confirm that eccentric training generates up to 40% more muscle-building stimulus than a regular movement. You are maximizing the biological signal your body receives to build muscle without adding a single pound of weight. Now, which muscle are we targeting here? Your quadriceps and your glutes, the two largest muscle groups in your entire body. And critically, the first one's sarcopenia attacks. A 2020 clinical trial found that 8 weeks of chair squat training in adults over 65 increased quadricep muscle mass by an average of 11.4% and reduced fall risk by 27%. 11% muscle gain in 8 weeks. From a chair, in your living room. That is exercise 1. Exercise 2 is the explosive calf raise. And this one is specifically engineered to target the muscle fibers sarcopenia destroys first. Stand directly behind a sturdy chair and hold the back lightly just for balance, not for support. Here is the critical difference from a regular calf raise. Rise up onto your toes as fast as you possibly can, then slowly lower back down, taking 3 full seconds to descend. That explosive upward movement is what activates your type 2 fast twitch muscle fibers. And here is why that matters so much. Type 2 muscle fibers are the first to disappear with sarcopenia. They are also the fibers responsible for quick reflexive movements, the ones that catch you when you slip on a wet floor, or recover when you misjudge a step. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that explosive tempo training in adults over 60 reactivated fast twitch fibers that had been effectively dormant for years. The researchers described it as waking sleeping muscle. Before exercise 3, I need 1 second from you. Drop a comment right now and type just 2 words, fighting back. That phrase means something real. It tells me where you are in this journey, and it sends a signal to YouTube that this content is reaching people who need it, which means more people over 60 will find this video. 2 words, that's all. Then come right back for the exercise that most people are missing, and it may be the most important one yet. Exercise 3 is the doorway row, and this targets something most senior fitness programs completely ignore: your posterior pulling chain. Stand in any open doorway in your home. Reach out and grip both sides of the doorframe at about chest height. Step your feet forward slightly, so your body is at a slight backward lean. Think of it as standing on an angle, with the doorframe taking some of your weight. Now pull your chest toward the doorframe by bending your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold for 2 seconds at the peak. Then slowly return to the starting position over 3 seconds. Now, why does this matter so much for sarcopenia? The muscles of your upper and mid-back, your rhomboids, your rear deltoids, your biceps are your postural muscles. They are what keep you upright. They are what prevent the forward hunch that develops in so many adults over 70. And they are the muscles responsible for all pulling activity: getting up from a chair using a rail, pulling open a heavy door, lifting a grandchild. Sarcopenia strikes the back muscles hard because most people simply stop using them in daily life. Desk chairs, recliners, and passive lifestyles allow them to waste away silently. A Harvard-affiliated study on resistance training in older adults found that upper back strengthening improved posture scores by 34% and independently reduced fall risk, because upright posture directly improves balance. The doorway row requires no equipment, no gym, and no floor work, and it gives you back one of the most critical functional movement patterns in your entire daily life. Exercise 4 is the single leg balance stand. And this is the exercise that goes beyond muscle and directly repairs the connection between your brain and your body. Stand behind your chair, hands resting lightly on the back for security. Slowly lift 1 foot just 2 to 3 inches off the ground. Nothing dramatic, just enough that your full weight is on one leg. Hold that position for 15 seconds. Keep your standing knee very slightly soft, not locked. Eyes forward, breathing normally. Then switch legs. Now, here is the science behind why this single movement may do more for your long-term independence than any other exercise on this list. Proprioception is the scientific term for your body's ability to sense where it is in space. It is the system that catches you when you stumble, adjusts your balance when the ground shifts, and tells your muscles to fire in exactly the right sequence to prevent a fall. After 60, proprioception degrades fast, and sarcopenia accelerates that degradation by weakening the muscles responsible for rapid stabilizing responses. A landmark study from the New England Journal of Medicine found that single-leg balance training in adults over 65 reduced fall incidence by 31% over a 12-month period. Not 31% lower fear of falling, 31% fewer actual falls. Every second you spend balancing on one leg is a second your nervous system is being recalibrated. The wobbling you feel? That is your muscles and your brain rebuilding their communication pathway in real time. This exercise requires nothing, takes 5 minutes, and the research says it is one of the most powerful things a senior can do to protect their independence for the next decade. Here is how to put all 4 exercises together into a protocol that will start reversing your muscle loss within 14 days. Week 1, days 1 through 7. Do all 4 exercises every other day. That means day 1, day 3, day 5, day 7. Your muscles need 48 hours between sessions to repair and grow. That recovery time is the gains. On your rest days, walk. Even 10 minutes around the block counts. Movement on rest days accelerates the protein synthesis happening in your muscle tissue. Week 2, days 8 through 14. Add 1 additional set to each exercise. Increase your single leg balance hold from 15 seconds to 20 seconds. And on the tempo sit to stand, try extending the lowering phase from 4 seconds to 5. That progressive overload, that small increase in challenge, is the fundamental biological signal that tells your body, this muscle needs to be stronger, build more. At the end of 14 days, here is what the research says you should notice. Movements that felt effortful in week 1 will feel easier. Your balance will feel more stable. And for many people, the simple act of standing up from a chair will feel like a different experience. Not because of magic, because you gave your body the right signal and your body responded, as it was designed to do, at any age. Sarcopenia is silent, but your response doesn't have to be. You now understand what it is, why it happens, and most importantly, exactly what to do about it. 4 exercises, each one targeting a different biological mechanism of muscle loss. Each one requiring nothing but your body and 15 minutes of your day. The research is not subtle on this. Adults who begin resistance training after 60, even after significant muscle loss, can rebuild meaningful muscle mass, reduce fall risk, and extend their years of functional independence. That is not a sales pitch. That is physiology, and it is available to you. Starting today. If this video gave you something real, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel reach every other person over 60 who is fighting the same silent battle you are. And if you know someone, a spouse, a parent, a friend who is struggling with weakness or muscle loss and doesn't know why, please share this video with them. You might be giving them back something they thought aging had already taken for good. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong. Keep moving. This is Age-Wise Fitness.